Hello everyone, welcome to Charan's programming channel. In this video you'll be learning about how to create lists in Python. So actually in this video you'll be also learning how to derive an element from a list and how to add or remove elements from a list. So let's start about list. So let's say that you have a list of fruits. About fruit. So you create a variable fruits. So we begin a list with the square brackets. Okay, so let's rewrite it. Fruits is equals to square brackets. Our first fruit will be apple, then mango, and grapes. Yep. So this is a list. We begin it with the square brackets and put in the strings. Put the strings in. So a list need not to be only strings. A list it could also contain integers such as underscore and underscore numbers. So we'll start with is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and also it could also be decimal such as 4.4. And also list could also contain strings and also integers such as 2. Yeah. So now the question is, how would you derive an element from a list? So let's say that so if you want to derive apple, so you can use the index of apple, that is 0. So fruits is equals so you can type that if you want to print. So fruits, so you can say print fruits 0, fruits 0. So that's the index of apple. So apple gets printed out over here. So now so if you see from left to right, from your left to right, the index of apple will be 0, mango will be 1 and 2. So starting off an index is 0, 2 and 3. But if you're counting from right to left, it will start from -1, -2 and -3. So -1, -2 and -3. 2 and -3. So if you say print -1, grape get printed out over here. So you can see the difference. So now let's say that you want to add another element in a list. So fruit, we'll type fruit dot append put that curly braces and append banana, and then if we print fruits you can also hit the play button in VS Code over here. So apple, mango, grape, banana. Banana also gets appended. So a dot append is a predefined keyword in Python that helps us to add a element to the variable. So now you saw how to add a variable. So now how would you remove a element from a list? So you can do this by using two methods, by using the pop and the remove function. So let's see how they work. So let's say that in a.pop, and pop keyword shouldn't contain anything in the curly braces, but there should be something in the curly braces. So by fruits.pop, the pop function is a predefined function that is used to remove a variable at the element in a list at the end. So grape is the list at the end, so it will pop. So but remove function helps us to remove any of others, such as we can say that remove apple. It removes apple. If they say to remove mango, so it will remove mango and just say apple, grape. So this is about lists. So now in the next video you'll be learning about tuples and sets in Python. So that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me. Thank you.